Spray this on your skin, and mosquitoes will avoid you all summer. Insects often appear outdoors and can be really annoying, so it's worth knowing how to get rid of mosquitoes. Prepare a glass. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of coffee. Coffee has a strong scent and naturally repels insects. Pour warm water over it and let it sit for a few minutes to brew and release its aroma. Then strain the mixture through a sieve lined with gauze to remove the grounds and get a clear liquid. Add a few drops of essential oil, such as lemon, lavender, or eucalyptus. Add about 16 fluid ounces of water to slightly dilute the mixture and mix everything well. Pour the liquid into a larger spray bottle. Spray outdoor areas, especially around the patio, doors, and in the garden. Also, prepare a small travel bottle and pour some of the mixture into it. Spray your skin, for example your forearms, before going for a walk. This is an effective, natural way to repel mosquitoes and ticks and keep them away. Spray this solution on your weeds, and they will disappear in no time. Weeds grow quickly, are hard to remove, and spoil the appearance of the garden. Fortunately, I have a method that will help you get rid of them in a flash. Prepare a larger container to easily mix all the ingredients. Start by pouring 100 milliliters of water. This will be our base. Then add vinegar for weeds, which, due to its acidic pH, effectively weakens the roots of the weeds. Now, it's time for our secret white powder, which helps quickly and effectively get rid of unwanted plants. Add 2 generous teaspoons. To make everything stick better to the plants, add 2 pumps of soap. Soap acts as a wetting agent, making the spray more effective. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform mixture forms. Now pour it into a spray bottle, screw the lid on, and you're ready to go. Spray the weeds, and within seconds, you'll see them disappear. The spray works quickly, helping you regain control over your garden. This is a natural way to get rid of weeds, as effective as chemical solutions. This gets rid of weeds for good, especially the ones growing between paving stones and in sidewalk cracks. Take a spray bottle and unscrew the cap. Pour in 1 liter of regular vinegar. Screw the top back on and pump the sprayer. Spray directly onto the weeds, covering them thoroughly. Leave it for at least an hour, preferably in full sun. The weeds will be gone without a trace. They'll dry up and won't come back. Place this under the table, and ants will never appear on it again. A simple trick will ensure that no ant will climb onto it. It doesn't matter if you have a table on the balcony, terrace, or in the garden. No ant will touch anything on your table anymore, not even their favorite sugar. No picnic, barbecue, or party will be spoiled by the sight of ants eating the treats meant for guests. My aunt showed me this trick, and I couldn't believe how simple it is. Place small bowls under the table legs. Instead of bowls, you can use jar lids. Place them precisely under the table legs. They will act as an impassable barrier for ants. All you need to do is pour water into them. Ants avoid water. This will block their path to the table. They won't be able to reach the tabletop. You can even keep sugar on it without worrying about finding ants in it. This simple water trick will protect you from these insects in the garden. You need to do this before planting onions. Your harvest will be abundant and of high quality. Besides preparing the soil for cultivation, it's also important to properly prepare the bulbs for planting. Start by selecting the bulbs, checking for any damage or disease. Then, sort them by size to ensure even growth. Soak the bulbs in water at the right temperature about 2 to 3 weeks before planting. Use water between 110 to 120 degrees, and leave them for 2 hours. Another soaking method is a salt solution. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a jar of warm water and soak the bulbs for a maximum of 30 minutes. Then rinse them several times in clean water. You can also use wood ash, which contains valuable minerals and protects the bulbs. Add about 9 ounces to 1 gallon of water, mix well, and soak the bulbs for about 2 hours. These methods will help your onions stay healthier, more resistant to diseases, and sprout faster. Gardeners don't want you to know this trick. Do it, and your plants will thank you. Prepare a large 10-liter bucket. Use a drill to make several holes at the bottom. Place pieces of egg cartons or cardboard at the bottom to create a drainage layer. Then add a plastic mesh to prevent soil from escaping through the holes. Now, fill the bucket halfway with good quality soil. Take a plastic container with a large opening and use a soldering iron to make several holes at the bottom and sides. Insert the container into the bucket, pressing it gently into the soil. Next, plant your seedling in the bucket and fill the space around it with soil, pressing it down lightly. Now take eggshells, banana peels, or other vegetable scraps and place them inside the plastic container. This will become your homemade compost, which will slowly decompose and provide your plant with valuable minerals and nutrients. Pour water into the compost container and then water the seedling. Thanks to this trick, your plant will receive natural fertilizer directly from the compost, helping it grow healthier, stronger, and faster. Place them in your garden, and your plants will start growing in no time. Ordinary aluminum foil can be very useful in the garden. It helps vegetables, flowers, and fruits grow better. Cut the aluminum foil into strips, then cut those strips in half. Ideally, they should be roughly square-shaped, but they don't need to be too big. Prepare some wooden skewers. Attach each piece of foil to 2 skewers by wrapping the foil ends around them. This will create a small flag. Take empty toilet paper rolls and cut them lengthwise. You'll get a flat piece of cardboard. Wrap it in aluminum foil on both sides. Then punch small holes in the foil-covered cardboard and thread a string through them. In the garden, place the foil flags near your vegetables. They work great around lettuce, cabbage, or kohlrabi. Position them with the shinier side facing south. Stick them into the soil wherever you see bird-damaged leaves. Hang the foil-covered cardboard pieces on fruit trees to keep starlings and other birds away. The sunlight reflecting off the foil discourages birds from feeding on your vegetables and fruits. This simple trick gives me an abundance of crops every year. My vegetables grow like crazy. Take an empty water container and carefully cut off the top, leaving only the upper part. Then, using a soldering iron, make plenty of small holes in the plastic. The more holes you make, the better. This step is very important. Once the base is ready, dig a hole in your garden. The hole should be as deep as the container. Place the container in the ground and cover it so that only the part with the cap sticks out. Unscrew the cap and throw in organic waste. You can use spinach leaves or banana peels. These ingredients nourish the soil perfectly. They are rich in magnesium, potassium, and other minerals. Every few days, I add a fresh handful or 2 of scraps. Just a few of these containers placed around the garden, and the results will amaze you. This way, you create a natural composter without any chemicals. The vegetables are not only bigger, but also tastier and more resistant to disease. Healthy soil, lush leaves, and baskets full of harvest. This burns weeds down to the roots. It's the most effective method for weeds I've ever found. It contains no harmful ingredients and is cheap. When weeds show up in the cracks of your driveway or around the garage, you'll want to get rid of them fast. To do this, grab some lemons. Cut them in half. You'll need enough to get about 7 ounces of lemon juice. Citric acid destroys the structure of plant cells and effectively burns weeds all the way down to the roots. Pour the freshly squeezed juice into a tall container. Now add about 8 ounces of filtered water. This helps spread the solution more evenly and slightly dilutes its strength. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt penetrates deep into the soil and disrupts the water balance of weeds, causing them to dry out completely. Then add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. Soap works as an emulsifier, helping the mix stick better to the leaves. Next ingredient, cinnamon. It has antifungal properties and also weakens plant growth at the root. Stir the mixture vigorously until everything is well combined. Pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the weeds growing between paving stones. You'll get the best results on a hot or sunny day. Very soon, you'll notice the weeds begin to wilt and dry out. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective.